We'll rip and race this new Dodge Charger. It's pretty cool. Anyways, it's a little rip here. So check it out. And that's the car. It's the back. If you can read that, this is heavy, but anyways, let's give it a shot and we'll race it against the see here. Put this against the Roger Dodger, the red one. I think it's a new one. I got a new one. Okay. And let it rip. Woo! Dodge Charger. That's, you know what? It's a rad car. All right, well, thanks. And we'll do some more races or something later. All right, bye.